Step 1. Prepare your subfloor. Your subfloor must be clean, dry, and level. If needed, sand down any uneven surfaces. If working with different subfloor materials, plywood and concrete, reinforce the joint with metal lath for stability or use a Schluter DIYTile membrane with powder thin set as a base. Step 2. Plan your tile layout. Dry fit your tiles. Lay them down without adhesive to check alignment. Use a laser level to keep things straight. Trim door frames so tiles can slide underneath for a clean look. Plan how tiles will transition to other flooring types using transition moldings. Step 3. Cutting and fitting tiles. Measure and dry fit cut pieces first. If you find that you have a small piece of tile on one end, you can adjust the layout by sliding it to one side to give your edges more width. After that, mark new reference lines. Use a wet saw for precise cuts and a tile snapper for straight cuts. Place cut tiles carefully to maintain a seamless look. Step 4. Mix and apply mortar. Use the right mortar for your tile size and subfloor. Check the bag for recommendations. For floors and heavy tiles, use mortar. For walls and lightweight tiles, use adhesive. For wet areas, use waterproof mortar or waterproof adhesive. Mix only small batches, enough for 30 minutes. Spread a 1/4 inch layer on the floor. Then comb it with a notch trowel at a 45 degrees angle. Back butter each tile. Apply mortar to the back for better adhesion. Step 5. Lay the tiles. Start laying tiles one at a time, pressing them into place. Use spacers to keep grout lines even. Wipe off excess mortar immediately to prevent messes. Check for flatness. Adjust as needed by lifting and adding removing mortar. Step 6. Grouting. Let tiles set before applying grout. Follow mortar curing time. Mix grout to a smooth, creamy consistency. Use a rubber grout float to press grout into joints. Wipe off excess grout with a damp sponge before it dries. After curing 24 hours, clean off any grout haze. Apply grout sealant to protect it from stains, moisture, and damage. Enjoy your new tile floor.